Hi nail friends, and welcome back to another episode of Mani Tuesday. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a color block nail design using polished Pixies dips and Revel nail dip powders. So let's get right into the video. I'll also be using Pro Dip liquids today. So I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm applying my Pro Dip prep to dehydrate the nails. If you don't have any, you can use rubbing alcohol or acetone. They both do the same thing. Now I apply one layer of clear dip powder to my nails. So I apply base to the whole nail and then I dip it into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color. This is also an optional step. I poured the dip powder in a tray for easier access. This container is a bit small, so I wouldn't be able to dip with my tip. I did a review of polished Pixies dips in another video where I speak about the dip powders in detail, so I'll link to that video in the cards if you'd like to check that out. Starting on the index nail, I'm using Hella Purple and I placed base on the whole nail and then I dipped into the purple dip powder. I did 3 layers of that. On the pinky nail, I'm using Amethyst Gardens and I placed base on the whole nail and then laid my finger into the glitter dip powder. Then taking my finger on my opposite hand, I just pat the glitter into place. I did 1 layer of that. On my ring finger, I placed tape on the nail off camera and then using my Revel nail flush, I applied base to one side of the nail and poured the dip powder. I did 3 layers of that, then removed the tape. Then I applied a few more layers of the Revel nail dip powder off camera, and now I apply activator, waited for the nail to harden, then began filing the nail to get a straighter line. This is after filing, and now I apply base to the other side of the nail and then laid my finger into the glitter, then using my fingers on the opposite hand to flatten the glitter a bit. If you're getting value from this video, don't forget to hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well, and don't forget to subscribe. On the middle finger, I'm doing a 4-section color block, so I placed tape vertically first and then another tape horizontally on the nail. Then I applied base to one section and laid my finger into the glitter. I did 3 layers of that, then removed the horizontal tape. Then I applied base to the nail and then poured the purple dip powder on my nail. I did 3 layers of that, then removed the tape. So right here is where I encapsulated the left side of the nail. I did 3 layers here, which was a mistake since you will see that the glitter wasn't encapsulated enough. I had to redo this because the line came out jagged and I didn't like how it looked, but what I will advise is to encapsulate the nail with about 5 layers, build up a structure for the nail and ensure that the glitter is encapsulated well enough. Then I applied activator, waited for the nail to harden, then began filing to get a straighter line. Now I placed tape horizontally on the nail and then applied base and poured the nude dip powder on the nail. I did about 4 layers of that, then removed the tape. Then I applied the glitter to the remaining area. Now I encapsulated the nails with a few layers of clear dip powder, but I only showed 1 layer. Then I applied activator, waited for the nails to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nails. Now, using my Model 1's top coat, I apply the top coat to my nails and cure it for 30 seconds. When the nails cooled down, I applied my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So let me know what you guys think of this dip powder nail design. Don't forget to check out polished Pixies dips. I'll leave a link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.